If you're looking for an alternative charging solution at home, then Porsche can also recommend the Andersen A2. Andersen EV are Porsche's recommended partner for home charging services in the UK. They provide a stylish home charging unit that comes in 96 colour combinations that can be installed indoors and outdoors. The Andersen A2 can offer charging speeds of 7 kilowatts at a single-phase property, which will take around 13 hours to charge, or alternatively 22 kilowatts at a 3-phase property if you have the appropriate onboard charger, and then you will have a fully charged Taycan in 5 hours. The Andersen A2 comes with a tethered cable, which is compatible with the Porsche Taycan and the Porsche plug-in hybrid range. And the vehicle cable is available in 2 lengths, 5.5 metres as standard or 8.5 metres at an additional cost. If you would like the 22 kilowatt version, then the unit comes fitted with a 6.5 metre vehicle cable as standard. Installation by Andersen is included in the price. However, if you would prefer, you can buy the A2 unit and then get your own electrician to complete the work.